Assalamualaikum and a very warm welcome to everybody. Here is a new lecture on the supply analysis. Yes, so the screen before you. Supply, let's see what the supply is. Demand and supply are the two important pillars of business economics. And we already know that the demand is the quantity of a good or service that consumers are willing and able to purchase at different prices during a period of time. So here we'll understand the meaning and determinants of supply. Here you can see that what is supply. Supply basically refers to the amount of a good or service that the producer provides, that the producer or where the producer are willing and able to offer to the market at various prices during a period of time. So there are two important aspects of supply. Number one, supply refers to what is offered for sale and not what is finally sold. And second one, supply is a kind of flow. You simply say supply is a flow. Hence, it is certain quantity per day or a week or a month. The law of supply states that there is a positive relationship between price and quantity supplied, leading to an upward sloping supply curve that sellers like to make money and higher prices mean more money. For example, let's say that fishermen notice the price of a tuna rising because higher prices will make them more money. So fishermen spend more time and effort catching tuna. So as a result, as the price rises, quantity of tuna supplied automatically increases. So what I am telling you, the relationship between the price and the supply. Okay, the law of supply is a microeconomic law that states that all the factors being equal as the price of a good or service increases, the quantity of goods or services that supply offer will increase and vice versa. So the law of supply says that there's a positive relationship between the price of the commodity and the quantity supplied. So law of supply says that as the price of an item goes up, suppliers will attempt to maximize their profit by increasing the quantity offered for sale. So supply also increases. So it shows a positive relationship. Breakdown in the law of supply, which can be explained with the help of the supply curve. The chart also below depicts the law of supply using the supply curve, which always upward sloping. A, B, and C are points on the supply curve. Each point on the curve reflects a direct correlation between the quantity supply and price. So at point A, the quantity supply will be Q1 and the price will be P1 and so on. You can see the relationship. This is the quantity. I'm not talking about the quantity. I'm talking about the relationship between the price and not quantity demanded. I'm talking about the quantity supplied. This is the supply curve, which is in purple color. And this is the price. And this is the quantity supplied. Price is P1, quantity was Q1. Suppose I have, this is O. Okay, so price OP1 and quantity OQ1. Price increase from OP1, yeah, from P1 to P2. Quantity supplied also increase from Q1 to Q2, then Q2 to Q3, and here price increase from P2 to P3. So here you can say that there is a positive or direct relationship between the price of the commodity and quantity supplied. And I have explained you here also. See that the law of supply says that as the price of an item goes up, then what the supplier will do? Supplier will attempt to, suppose if the commodity, the price of any commodity is rising, or I am a supplier, so what I will think, what will be my state of mind? Yeah, what would be my state of mind? That okay, this commodity price is going up, all right. Then I will increase the supply of that commodity. Automatically, my profit will increase because my main motive is to increase my profit. So if the price of any commodity is rising, So I will increase the supply of that particular commodity automatically because I want to maximize my profit. Because supplier will always attempt to maximize their profit, and it could be possible to increase the supply of those commodities whose price are shooting up. Okay, because what does this explain to you? And I have explained with the help of this graph also that there is a positive relationship between the price of the commodity and quantity supplied. Okay, so different examples which exhibits the law of supply. When college students learn that computer engineering jobs pay more than English professor jobs. The supply of students with major in computers engineering will increase. When the consumer start paying more for, these are the examples, okay? When consumers start paying more for cupcakes than for donuts, bakeries will increase their output of cupcakes and reduce their output of donuts in order to increase their profit. When your employer pays time and half for overtime, the number of hours you are willing to supply for work increases. The law of supply is one of the most fundamental concepts in economics. So it works with the law of demand to explain how market economies allocate resources and determine the prices of goods and services. This is a thing which I want to let you explain here. Determinants, I'll continue on the next time. This is enough for today. And soon I will let you know the date of the your session. Okay, thank you so much for today. Office.